Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Time channel. My name is Gil, and here we have the latest updates of crypto markets. Okay, so let's go to the chart, and here we have Bitcoin daily chart once more. And as you can see, we have this layout. We've been tracking Bitcoin daily, so this layout we drew, several weeks ago, and we can see as a very large consolidation, okay, in a very large scale, if you like. And now the Bitcoin is within this envelope again, okay. You can see here, and as we follow Bitcoin price and crypto markets price, all that, go and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our Twitter and Instagram. We've been posting and tweeting things, good things there, good stuff, so check it out. All right, so let's go and check the latest things here. So let's zoom in. So Bitcoin within the envelope, that's fine. And lately we have Bitcoin moving within this ascending channel. All right, and we are expecting to see Bitcoin retest this region, because we have a bottom at 17k region, okay, and it hasn't retested yet. So patience is key, okay guys. So Bitcoin is moving up, and we are tracking the volume as well to see if we spot a discrepancy, like price going up and volume going down. That's this discrepancy, and let's keep our eyes peeled. All right, so Bitcoin now today is a very red candle right here, and is towards to the base of this channel. And if we see you see this white line here, which is the EMA, 8 weeks EMA, okay, and it's a very powerful indicator, because that gives us an idea about the price being bullish or bearish, okay. And right now below that line, that means is very bearish. And on top of that, we have the 80 days EMA, which is this red one here, and the white line being below the red line, that means a very bearish scenario, okay. If we extend this EMA, which has a delay, so these indicators, they have a bit of delay. So if we imagine here, and then we have, okay, something like that roughly, we see that the price tried to break through the EMA, okay. So the EMA acts as a strong, very strong resistance right now, and it couldn't break, okay. So that's what's happening here. So we can expect to see the price going up again and moving here within this ascending channel. If we go to the next chart here, which is the 2 hours time frame, we can have an idea using this VWAP indicator. So we have upper bands and lower bands, and the VWAP itself, which is this green line here, okay, and always the price goes back to the VWAP, okay. So we see the price going up, and reaching these the first upper band, and goes back here, and actually almost hitting the the VWAP here at this candle, okay, and goes all the way back up, almost actually, and then goes back down again and tests several times here the VWAP, until a couple of hours ago we got this very big red candle breaking below the VWAP. Okay, now we could expect to see the price trying to move towards to to this lower, the first lower band, which is this red line here. So that's 19K. Okay, something like that. Or the price can go back and retest once again the VWAP, which is around almost 20K. Okay, right now. So we have to keep tracking. But the idea here is to with lower time frames, we can predict the next movements. Okay. But the most important time frames, they are daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, especially for medium and long term. All right, so let's go back here to this one, and here we have the weekly chart. Again, Bitcoin, and to be more bullish, we were expecting to see the price closing above this region here, and that didn't happen, and unlikely to happen soon. Okay, it's very far from that region. So we have previous lows here showed by this white line, and we broke that below that region here. All right, so that's one more thing to consider and to expect price going towards to the 17K, because that was our bottom here on 13 June. All right, so let me go and check one thing here quickly. So guys, it's important to understand that traditional markets, they impact crypto markets. Okay, so and that's why I'm here at the Federal Reserve page. So in here we can see the next meeting. So it's 1st and 2nd of November. That's the next meeting. So, and according to markets, and here's just one example, you can Google and for more news. So markets are, they are expected to see a 0.75 percentage hike on the interest rates. Okay, so, and that means we could expect, the movements in the market going down. Okay, and if you Google about the next meeting, you'll get several channels and in source about this and the expectations. Okay, so I'm just showing this because if we go back here to our chart, let's go back here. Here we have the SP 500. Okay, let me clean this 1 second. And here we have the SP 500. Okay, and let me zoom in. And we are getting a very big red candle, and we know all everything is happening now with the global economy, war in Ukraine. So we've been going through a crisis now, and I think it was yesterday or day before, we had an announcement by the U.S. president saying a possibility of nuclear Armageddon. Okay, so that could be one of the reasons why we're seeing this big red candle here. Of course, there's more on the plate, and we lost this the previous bottom here. So that was the previous bottom, and we lost here. Okay, again here the previous bottom, we lost here, and now this white line, let me zoom in out, is acting as a support. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this we have this major support zone. Okay, and after this So the price could do something, okay, something like this. This is roughly, okay, guys? But we could expect something like that. All right? So don't be surprised. And this major support zone is basically going back to pre-pandemic levels. So here we have the COVID pandemic hits here, and then we had all this dump. So we can expect something that's one of the scenarios. All right. So again, traditional markets impacts the crypto market. So if we check the Nasdaq, so we have the same thing, almost the same thing going on. Okay. Then I have some zones of support here. So these rectangles, okay, for Nasdaq. All right. So that's the idea behind to check the SP 500 and Nasdaq, so we can see the impact on the crypto markets. All right. So I think that's everything I want to show you today on today's video. So consider subscribe on our channel so you get the latest, and go to our Twitter, Instagram, so you can have nice stuff there as well, and everything for free. And leave your comments down below if you like this kind of video, what kind of video you like, so we might consider go and do a video or a series of videos for you guys. All right, so until there, I see you on the next video.